Welcome back to my YouTube channel Ride and Review. Today we will talk about the 2025 Lexus LS. The 2025 Lexus LS is the epitome of luxury, blending performance, technology, and refinement to deliver an exceptional driving experience. As Lexus' flagship sedan, the LS continues to push boundaries with its exquisite craftsmanship, cutting-edge features, and impressive powertrain options. Under the hood, the LS 500 is powered by a 3.4-liter twin-turbocharged V6 engine that generates 416 horsepower and 442 lb-ft of torque. This powerful engine ensures a smooth yet exhilarating ride, propelling the car from 0 to 60 miles per hour in just 4.6 seconds. Paired with a sophisticated 10-speed automatic transmission, the LS offers both rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive configurations, catering to different driving preferences. For those looking for an environmentally conscious option, the LS 500H hybrid model combines a 3.5-liter V6 engine with electric motors, delivering a combined output of 354 horsepower. The hybrid system is designed for efficiency while maintaining the signature Lexus luxury experience, providing seamless acceleration and an enhanced fuel economy that sets it apart from traditional gas-powered competitors. The exterior design of the 2025 Lexus LS commands attention with its bold yet elegant presence. The signature spindle grille remains a focal point, flanked by sharp and sophisticated LED headlights that provide both aesthetic appeal and improved visibility. The sleek, aerodynamic silhouette is accentuated by flowing lines and sculpted contours that enhance the vehicle's dynamic look. The long wheelbase not only adds to the LS's presence on the road but also translates to a spacious and comfortable interior. The option for a panoramic moonroof adds an extra touch of luxury, allowing natural light to flood the cabin and elevate the overall ambience. Stepping inside, the 2025 Lexus LS offers a sanctuary of comfort and luxury. The interior is adorned with premium materials, including high-quality leather upholstery, authentic wood trim, and intricate stitching that showcases the attention to detail. The seats are designed for maximum comfort, with the front seats offering 28-way power adjustments, heating, ventilation, and massage functions to ensure a first-class experience. Rear passengers are also treated to exceptional comfort, with available reclining seats, footrests, and individual climate controls, making the LS an ideal choice for those who prefer to be chauffeured. Technology plays a significant role in enhancing the driving and passenger experience in the LS. The centerpiece of the dashboard is a 12.3-inch touchscreen infotainment system, featuring an intuitive interface and seamless smartphone integration through Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. The available 24-inch head-up display projects important driving information directly onto the windshield, ensuring that the driver remains focused on the road. For music lovers, the LS offers an optional Mark Levinson 3D surround sound system that delivers crystal-clear audio quality, transforming the cabin into a concert hall on wheels. Lexus has also incorporated an advanced voice command system, allowing drivers to control navigation, climate, and multimedia functions with ease. Safety remains a top priority for Lexus, and the 2025 LS is equipped with the latest Lexus Safety System Plus 2.0. This comprehensive suite of safety features includes adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert with steering assist, automatic high beams, and a pre-collision system with pedestrian detection. The LS also features an advanced parking assist system, making parallel and perpendicular parking effortless. Additional driver assistance technologies, such as a 360-degree camera and blind spot monitoring, provide an extra layer of security and confidence behind the wheel. The 2025 Lexus LS is designed to cater to luxury enthusiasts who appreciate both performance and elegance. With a starting price of around $81,685, the LS 500 offers an unmatched combination of power, comfort, and technology. The LS 500H Hybrid provides an eco-friendly alternative while maintaining the same level of sophistication and refinement. Whether driven by the owner or used as a chauffeured vehicle, the LS continues to set the benchmark for full-size luxury sedans. Its blend of innovation, comfort, and reliability ensures that it remains a top choice in its segment, delivering a truly premium driving experience.